Hello, it's me, Kent Peters again, and today I'm going to talk about taxes. Well, tax season is over now, I believe. I think everybody pretty much filed their tax, or it's like the deadline. I know there is a way that you could extend it to like another 6 months, but pretty much everybody pretty much already filed their taxes. But you haven't already, or maybe you want to be prepared for next year. Stay tuned to this video. You're going to want to hear it. And before you continue watching this video, I'm just going to tell you right now, flash that like button. That way it helps me, the YouTube algorithm, and my video will pretty much be recommended to more people. And when that happens, I get more money. I can put it back into this channel, give it back to my subscribers. Because the subscribers, they pretty much help me with this channel, and that's how it is with every YouTube channel. But anyway, what are taxes? Taxes are pretty much ways the government rips you off. That's a short answer. Well, actually, taxes are supposed to like help the economy out. For example, teachers pretty much get paid by taxes. And taxes pretty much paid to have your neighborhood clean, for example. So there's a lot going into taxes. I'm not going to get deep into it, but I'm just giving you an idea what the good taxes do. Well, as you know, every year, they always take taxes out of our paychecks. If you're just working a regular job, you probably knows that you get tax taken out. There's like Social Security. What else is there? Is it Medicare, Medicaid? And then the federal taxes. I said, Social Security was the first one I believe I said. So I believe those are pretty much the three main taxes that come out of your paycheck. But the main one you want to look out for is that federal tax. That's what rips us all off, man. But you're employed, they pretty much already take enough taxes out of your paycheck. And in most cases, you'll have enough to pretty much cover how much you owe. And most of the time, if you're working a regular job that's paying you hourly and you're employed, you usually get a tax refund. But now if you're like self-employed, that doesn't happen. You gotta pay your own taxes. And how do you do this? How do you pay for your own taxes if you're like self-employed, or you're just one of those people that have a job that don't take money out of your taxes? Some of y'all, you're probably happy, like, all right, I'm not paying taxes. I don't have to pay taxes at all. Unfortunately, the Uncle Sam or the IRS, whatever you want to call it, they will hunt you down, and they will force you to pay those taxes. Now, if you do have a job that didn't take taxes out of your paycheck, you're pretty much doing your regular spending that year. Let's say 2020, for example. You got a new job. This job didn't take any taxes out of your paycheck, so you enjoyed it. You was living it up. But then 2021 comes around. Guess what? The IRS are going to be looking for it. They're going to want that money from you. And let's say you do get one of those tax programs where you go to like a tax professional. Then you find out you owe the IRS like $2,200. That'd be pretty scary, especially if you didn't save for it. So in that case, you're in debt. Now, how to avoid this? how to avoid this problem. What are just a couple things you could do? You can put money to the side. So let's say every time you get a paycheck, first of all, how much money do the IRS take out of your yearly income? How much do they take out? Well, it pretty much depends. Depending on how much you make, it could be like 20%. It could be lower than 20%. It could be 30%. So it pretty much varies how much the IRS take out of your yearly income. And it also depends on what state you're in. Like some of y'all have the worst. Some of y'all gotta pay state taxes. I hear that California is pretty bad with state taxes, which is why everybody's leaving California right now. But I live in Florida, so I don't gotta pay state taxes. But I do gotta pay the IRS just like everybody else. So with the IRS, not the IRS, but to put money to the side for taxes, like let's say you get like a paycheck, maybe you take like 25% out of your paycheck and put it to the side, maybe put it into like a separate bank account. 25% of your paycheck goes to this bank account. You do it every single paycheck. And by the end of the year, by the time tax seasons come around, you'll have enough. You'll have either almost enough, you'll have the exact amount, or you probably have more left over to pay those taxes. And the good news is, you're not in debt. You're prepared. You don't have to worry about going to jail. But seriously, going to jail for not paying taxes, I mean, that's not cool, man. I mean, you're not a real criminal if you didn't pay taxes. But when you're in that jail cell, you're pretty much going to be treated like a criminal. So that's one way to take money out of your account manually and put it to the side to another account. And there's pretty much ways you can set up your account so it comes out of your paycheck and it goes into another bank account. You can pretty much set it that way. You can set it to like 10%, 20%, 30%. However, how much you're going to have to pay. Because I can't straight up tell you how much you're going to have to pay in taxes because it varies. So let's hang on. Okay, for the sake of this video, I decided to look it up and see how much you would have to pay in taxes. So I'm just looking right now. There's like 7 income tax brackets. And the lowest I see is like 10% to like up to like 37%. So obviously if you're making like $200,000, guess what? You're gonna have to spend like $74,000 in taxes if you made that much. But also if you're paying like 37% on taxes, you're gonna want to have to put in like at least, I'll say at least 40% towards taxes. So I'm just pointing that out. Man, 37% is a lot though. It sounds like that's a lot of money you're wasting, man, with federal income taxes. I mean, I don't make the rules, man, but I'm just pointing out how much you have to pay. So paying taxes does suck. But you don't have to let it rule you. You prepare for it. Just like you're preparing for a hurricane when it happens. Prepare for your taxes. Don't ignore taxes either. That's one problem you don't want to ignore, because ignoring the problem doesn't make the problem go away. If you owe the IRS money, ignore those calls, it's not going to make the problem go away. You're still going to owe that money. and they'll probably charge penalties to it. And next thing you know, you'll go to jail. You be treated like a criminal, man. So I'm helping my viewers out. I'm helping my subscribers out. Because I know there's somebody watching this video that's probably afraid of the taxes. And also, if you want to know how to file for cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Litecoin, all that, I'll also have my link down here for that. Because that's another one. I did go over it in another video. But I'll have my link down here if you want to file for cryptocurrency, because that's a different thing. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope you got something out of this video, man. So if you do like this video, like I said before, blast that like button. Subscribe to my channel. And if you just love watching my videos, or you want to see videos every time I upload, just hit that bell button. That way, every time I make a video, you will be notified. But that being said, have a good weekend. Bye for now.